It was a beautiful sunny day. Hannah and her friends, Leo and Maya, were going to a farm. They were very excited. The farm was in the countryside with lots of green grass and trees.
Wow, look at the big red barn!
Shouted Leo as they arrived. Maya was jumping with joy.
I can't wait to meet all the animals. Me too. I want to pet a bunny.
As they walked into the farmyard, a friendly farmer greeted them with a warm smile.
Welcome to our farm, kids. My name is Farmer John. Are you ready to meet our animal friends?
Yes, we are.
Shouted Hannah, Leo, and Maya in unison. They couldn't wait to start their farm adventure. Farmer John led them to a pen full of fluffy bunnies. The bunnies hopped around, their noses twitching curiously.
They're so adorable.
Farmer John handed them small baskets filled with chopped carrots.
Bunnies love carrots. Gently offer them a piece.
Hannah held out a carrot piece and a little brown bunny hopped towards her. It nibbled the carrot from her hand, making her giggle. Leo and Maya were also delighted as the bunnies munched on carrots from their hands. Next, they visited the duck pond. A flock of ducks swam and waddled by the water's edge.
Quack, quack,
said the ducks, greeting the children. Farmer John gave them some birdseed.
Sprinkle it gently near the water.
The children threw the seeds near the water. The ducks rushed over, dipping their beaks into the water to gobble up the seeds.
They eat so fast!
Exclaimed Leo, laughing as he threw more seeds. After visiting the ducks, they met Tilly, a gentle brown and white cow.
Tilly mooed softly when she saw the children.
Farmer John showed them how to pet Tilly gently.
Cows are milked to give us milk. Would you like to try milking Tilly?
Hannah, Leo, and Maya eagerly took turns trying to milk Tilly. They were amazed to see the milk flowing into the bucket.
Wow, you were right. This is amazing.
Yeah, this is so cool.
I can't believe we actually milked a cow.
The children looked amazed as they helped Farmer John milk Tilly, one holding a bucket and looking surprised. As the sun began to set, it was time to say goodbye. Hannah, Leo, and Maya thanked Farmer John for the wonderful day.
Thank you so much, Farmer John.
Yeah, we had the best time.
You're welcome, kids. Come back anytime.
They waved goodbye to the bunnies, the ducks, and Tilly the cow. Thank you for the carrots. Quack, quack, come again soon.
Tilly mooed a gentle farewell.
Hannah, Leo, and Maya left the farm, their hearts full of joy. They had a fun-filled day, making new animal friends and learning so much about farm life. They couldn't wait to visit the farm again.